Are you tired of struggling with inaccurate measurements? Here are the 5 best digital calipers I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Giovanni Stainless Steel Caliper. The Giovanni digital caliper caught my attention right away. Priced at $19.98, this stainless steel tool is designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. If you want reliability and precision in your measurements, this is worth a serious look. This caliper shines with its 4 measurement modes, allowing you to measure inside and outside diameters, depth, and step. The accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inch or 0.02 millimeters means you can trust the numbers you're getting, whether you're in your workshop or at home. Plus, the large LCD screen makes it easy to read your measurements even in bright light, which is crucial when you're busy. It's waterproof and dirt-proof, ensuring it lasts longer than others made from plastic. With over 6,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, here's the thing. Some users mentioned that the caliper can be a bit challenging to reset to 0 at first. However, once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite simple. If you're looking for a solid tool for everyday use, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking for a reliable measuring tool. But skip this one if you need something specifically for ultra-technical applications, as the accuracy might not meet extreme precision needs. For the price though, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the Giovanni's slight resetting issue bothered you, the next one on our list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 2. Adoric Digital Caliper. The Adoric Digital Caliper is another great option, priced at just $6.99. Yep, you heard that right. If you're looking for a budget-friendly measuring tool, this one deserves your attention. This caliper offers a measurement range of 0 to 6 inches or 0 to 150 millimeters with a resolution of 0.01 inch and an accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 millimeters. It's perfect for simple household measurements or DIY projects. The 4 measuring modes give you flexibility, so whether you're measuring diameter or depth, it covers all bases. Plus, the one-touch conversion between inches and millimeters saves you time, which is great if you're constantly switching between units. With over 5,000 sold recently, it's clear that many people trust it. However, some users expressed concerns about the plastic build feeling less durable than metal options. I'll be real with you, it's true that plastic might not last as long as stainless steel, but if you're using it for light tasks, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and portable caliper for everyday use. However, if you need something for heavy-duty jobs, you might want to look elsewhere. For its price, it's an excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize longevity. Product number 3. Nico 01407A Electronic Digital Caliper. Priced at $25.39. This tool is built for those who want reliability and precision in one package. If you want a caliper that you can rely on for various tasks, this is worth considering. Constructed with polished stainless steel, this caliper is not only durable but also splash and dust resistant, making it suitable for various environments. It has a measurement range of 0 to 6 inches or 0 to 150 millimeters with a resolution of 0.0005 inches, ensuring you get accurate readings every time. The extra-large LCD screen is another plus, making readings quick and clear. Many users rave about its ease of use, and with over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear this model is well received. Some people pointed out that the locking screw was a bit tricky to use at first, which can affect measurement stability. However, once you get accustomed to it, that's not a huge deal. It might be a concern for those who frequently require perfect locking, but I think it's manageable for most users. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and versatile measuring tool for various projects, but skip this if you require a caliper that locks tightly every single time. Considering its features, it provides excellent value. Now, if the Nico's locking mechanism doesn't suit you, the next option is even more user-friendly. Product number 4, the Sengaberry Digital Caliper, which is also priced at $6.99. This tool is perfect for anyone looking for a straightforward measuring solution without breaking the bank. If you want something simple yet effective, keep listening. This caliper features a large LCD screen that automatically turns on as you slide the rail, which I found genuinely impressive. It measures from 0 to 6 inches or 0 to 150 millimeters with a resolution of 0.01 inches, making it great for general household needs. The 4 measurement rods let you switch between various measurements easily, and its design is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. With around 4,000 sold recently, it's clearly appealing to a lot of people. However, some users reported that the plastic material feels a bit cheap and may not withstand rough use. While that's a valid concern, if you're using it for light tasks, it should still perform well. Just keep in mind that if you're a professional needing heavy-duty equipment, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you need a simple and effective measuring tool for household projects. Skip this if you require a high-grade, durable caliper for professional applications. For the price, it's really a steal. Now, if you need something that combines durability with features, the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 5. Calipers Digital Caliper. The last product on our list is the Calipers Digital Caliper, priced at $19.99. This one is for those who need a reliable tool that can handle various tasks. If you're looking for a sturdy caliper that won't let you down, this might be the one for you. Crafted from stainless steel, this caliper offers a measurement range of 0 to 6 inches or 0 to 150 millimeters with an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inches. The 3-unit conversions make it user-friendly, and the auto-off feature saves battery life, which is a thoughtful addition. The fact that it's splash-proof adds to its durability, making it suitable for different working conditions. With about 3,000 units sold recently, it's a trusted choice among users. However, some users noted that the instructions can be a bit confusing for first-time users. Honestly, that could be frustrating for someone who just wants to start measuring right away. But once you figure it out, the performance is well worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you need a robust and versatile measuring tool that can handle various tasks. But you might want to skip this if you're not comfortable navigating through unclear instructions. For its price, it offers fantastic value. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's wrap things up and see how they stack up against each other. So there you have it, my top 5 digital calipers. To recap, the Giavari is great for reliability. The Adoric is a budget-friendly option. The Nico offers durability and precision. The Sengaberry is perfect for light tasks, and the Calipers combines sturdiness with versatility. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Nico because it balances quality and features perfectly. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Sengaberry if you're looking for something more robust for frequent use. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.